Hey kings and queens, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to switch it up a little bit. It is not really hair related, it's more beauty related. So I picked up some lashes off of Amazon and I'm actually going to go ahead and give them a try. Now I am doing a new technique that I've seen on YouTube numerous times, which is basically converting a strip lash into an individual lash. Now of course I'm not a professional and I've only done this probably one time before this. Yeah, exactly one time before this. So you know, my technique might be a little slow or it might not be as crisp as I would like it right now, but I am feeling a little confident today and I feel like I can go ahead and give these lashes a try on camera for the second time in my entire life. Now if you know me, then you know that I am not really a lash type of person. I typically don't wear lashes except for maybe special occasions, if that. But I saw these beautiful wispy lashes on Amazon and I was like, let me go ahead and give these a try, and then I can also just include them in a tutorial to try, just in case I inspire anybody out there who happens to love eyelashes and would like to maybe see how these wispy 25mm lashes look. Now for me, I usually go for like a natural type of look. I would say that 25mm is a bit extreme for me, but yeah, we're all in quarantine right now, so I figured I'd just go ahead and, you know, take that leap of faith and try these out. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so jumping right into this tutorial, here are the lashes that I purchased off of Amazon. I believe the company name is pronounced Jaimir Mink Lashes. Alright, so if you are interested in this set, I will leave the link in the description box below for you to go ahead and check out. Here are the single lashes. Now I also purchased these off of Amazon as well, and I will leave the direct link in the description box below. Alright, I'm also going to be using this lash adhesive that my mom gave me. Honestly, it's beginner friendly. I'm not sure how much wear you can get out of it, only because I typically take my lashes off very quickly. But yeah, I'm going to be using those along with this eyebrow tweezer. It works just fine for me, and I'm going to follow that up with my eyebrow scissors. Alright. So yeah, I keep everything in this lash bag here that I pretty much put together, and we are going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so once you've got that taken care of and you've got your double-sided mirror, go ahead and put that at the bottom on the table. Grab your eye patches and we're going to go ahead and get started with the application. With the eye patches, I really don't find them that much to be that helpful, so I might just skip this step next time. But yeah. Alright, so make sure you are grabbing and separating the correct eyelash. And I'm just going to go ahead and try it on just to see if, you know, how it's actually going to look once it sits up on my eye. And I just decided, hey, let me just go for it. So here is the individual lash outside of the packaging. And then I just cut the other lash into these individual small pieces where they naturally separate. Okay, so jumping into the application. Now, for the application, you definitely want to make sure that you are applying the lashes correctly. So I'm lifting my eyelid with one hand while I'm applying the lash underneath my eyelashes with the tweezer. All right, once you are pretty confident that it's secure and the placement is correct, then you can just repeat this process throughout the rest of, you know, the lash set. But just keep in mind that anytime you are applying the eyelashes underneath your natural eyelashes, you really want to make sure that it is not actually touching your actual eyelid, because that's going to cause irritation, and that's also going to make you probably have to take the lashes off earlier than you would have expected. So just be sure that your placement is correct, that the lash is not crooked, and you'll be all good to go. All right, also you want to make sure that when you cut the lashes, that they are in the same order that you originally had them in as far as before you cut them. So just make sure that you cut the lashes and you keep them in order for your lash application to match the original condition of the lashes, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm just going to continue to run through this. I believe this is the last one that I'm actually going to show you, and then we are going to discuss this process and some additional details that I did not include in this portion of the video. Okay guys, so here is the final look at the eyelashes. So I had the hardest time trying to do this on camera. So maybe at another time I'll be able to give you a better view of the entire process, but I do want to show you guys the finished result just in case you guys are interested in seeing how they actually look once they are applied underneath your eyelashes. So this is how they look, and I'll just turn sideways. And there is no line of demarcation underneath, or I'm sorry, on top of my eyelashes, so I don't have to worry about that. I don't have any lifting along the inner corners of my eyes or the outer corners as well. But this is a drastic look for me, and honestly I don't see me really wearing this out like too much, but I'm definitely gonna wear it while I'm quarantining and chilling. So this is just the finished look. If you're looking for a drastic, extreme type of look that still looks natural as far as the application, then I would recommend doing this method. It's very simple and easy to do. Just make sure that you keep the eyelashes in order and do not have a fan around so that, you know, it won't blow away the lashes and ruin your application process. Like I had to kind of piece everything together at the end, so that's why it was just a crazy behind the scenes type of vibe going on. But nonetheless, I was able to complete both my left and right eye, and I feel like they came together for the most part. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.